This will be really expert gold bar. You can fill this stuff. The only thing that's mandatory is overlay. But to get started, just add a new layer. You give it a description, it will help for us to bug the issue. But to start with goal bar, come down to content, change form, goal bar widget. Goal type comes directly from Twitch's goals. So if you don't have one, you can go to Twitch and create one. There are two different labels that you can use. There's the linear, which is just a normal goal bar. And you have a circular. It's just in a circular problem. Change the thickness of the bar too by putting this here. And I'm pretty sure this is pixels. Back to linear. That's what I see most. For linear, there is a background and a foreground. Well, that's there for circular. You can change the color so it can match overlay. Back for the that postage. And then the foreground is the progress bar. There are a couple different bar types you can go with. There is the percentage, right? But there's percentage, which is, and then there's a fraction, which it just shows how many followers you have. But I like to go with the now for the label position to start. It will always be over at this start. For the progression here, as this green bar goes up, try to stay inside the green. Center, it's obvious, it's just in the center of the entire goal bar. Remaining center. On your foreground here, try and stay in the center as this bar moves. And end, it'll just stay at the end. And that's it. Fun creating your goals.